Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to download and install iOS 26 beta, you may check that your iPhone stuck on preparing update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply you may just go back and first of all, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you are connected Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi name and click on forget this network connected again. Or if you are connected mobile data, you will make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. Then guys, you have the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. After that, you may click here on general and you may scroll it down. And here you may see that here the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here, click on the reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, again, then guys, you may click here on software update and then you may click here on beta updates and you may turn off developer beta and turn on again and download again and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.